guys, welcome back to the channel. It is beautiful Wednesday, October 31st, and we got a delivery in from RC Mart, and let's see. Oh yes, they sent the parts. Thank you, RC Mart. We had ordered some carbon fiber frame rails for our build coming up right away, actually, and we can do it now, for our Kyosho Mini Z 4x4s. Yeah, that's it. Thanks, Jesse. But they sent us one frame rail in a package, so we couldn't do anything with that. So now we bought two packages, so we had one frame rail each. So we were able to do one truck, and we're saving these ones for the build for you. As always, we like to buy two things, build one off camera, and then try to get it done properly for you guys, so we're not fumbling, but it doesn't always happen. So this is the rag top for the ROC Hobby's Jeep. Now, apparently a lot of guys say don't buy it, it don't fit. I have no idea how it fits. And we tore our Jeep apart, which you'll see in an upcoming video. But Amazon had a sale on these trucks for $150 US about 2 weeks ago, maybe a month ago. I posted it on our channel. So yeah, well, we ordered another one, right? You're not gonna be stupid if you didn't order another one at $150. So yeah, so. Here, get out of here. Take the damn truck and go.
Where are the wipers?
Right there. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys remember the truck from the last video we did. Super scale Jeep, 1/6 scale. It's meant to fit your 1/6 scale toys. You can buy male. Don't look at the female ones. They're very perverted. I don't know why they make them all in a large breast size. It's kind of weird. There is normal people out there. So yeah, plastic front bumper, plastic rear bumper, plastic body, decent truck. But as soon as we got it, Jesse and I started playing with this piece, and we're like, what's this? And then we found out, a little bit of homework, that it is for the, it's gonna be tough with this spare tire. It is for the rag top. So we wanted the rag top, so we found it, ordered it, and got it. Now, this guy goes here and here. It's got these nice little rivets down the front. So you start on the front of the cab and you push all the little rivet guys on. Gonna get that guy back there, so he'll hook over there and hold tension on the front. This last little corner was a bit of a pain in the ass, but oh, sorry, I had the material folded in, side flaps. And for this part here, there's a Velcro on the inside. It's two pieces, opens up. Snap that up. Try to keep that pulled over the back corner. Put a little bit of tension there as you pull it down. You see it in the feed? Roll this guy between your tire and your fuel tank. Wiggle him down. And then you have two more straps. The strap goes down. through the bottom loop, pull everything tight, hook it in. Same thing on this side. Open your strap, down through the bottom, pull it up and tight. So, okay. Now with that being said, Jesse and I did not watch any videos on how to install it. We just used common sense and it went on perfectly fine. If you're having trouble installing it, take your time, slow down. It's a very nice piece. It fits very well. Very nice fit and finish. Driver might hit his head and poke out on the roof. He might be like, but yeah, for us, that's kind of what we wanted with the Army Jeep. That looks really good on there. No instructions, very simple. Anybody can figure this out. If you're having trouble, slow down, reapproach it, try it again, you'll get it. Cheers, thanks.